The PHP file type is a server-side script. If you open it in Chrome, you just see code. To actually run the website, you need a local server environment like XAMPP. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's set it up. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn PHP files. The PHP file extension denotes a server-side scripting language primarily used for web development. PHP files contain code that is processed on a web server to generate dynamic content, such as HTML, XML, or JSON. These files are essential for creating interactive websites and web applications. PHP code is embedded within HTML or other markup languages using special tags. The PHP interpreter on the web server executes the code, interacts with databases, and generates the final output sent to the user's browser. PHP supports object-oriented programming, procedural programming, and a wide range of extensions for various functionalities. The source application for PHP is frequently listed as XAMPP from Apache friends. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows typically associates these files with your default browser or a code editor. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your PHP file and choose Open With. Test XAMPP if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. If you still cannot open your PHP file, that is okay. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, use Code Editor. Open the file using a code editor, VS Code, Sublime Text, or an IDE to view the source code. Next, execute on server. The file must be loaded by a web server, e.g. Apache nginx, with PHP installed to run the script in a browser. Finally, check syntax. If the script fails, use the PHP command line tool with the L parameter PHP L file name PHP to check for syntax errors. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your PHP file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. FileMagick focuses on results. Its technology allows it to bypass file signature and extension checks to instantly reveal the PHP content. That's true value. Visit FileMagick.com now to download. We got that problem solved in record time. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.